Imagine starting each day with a clear mind, free from the noise of yesterday's worries and today's anxieties. What could you achieve if mental clarity was just a few breaths away? Hello and welcome back to Kai's Calm Kit, where we explore tools and techniques to enhance your mental and emotional well-being. Today, we are taking a deep dive into meditation, a practice embraced around the world, not just as a spiritual exercise, but as a science-backed method to boost mental clarity and overall health. With meditation's rise in popularity comes a wealth of research confirming its profound benefits on the mind and body. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or new to the world of meditation, today's guide will help you understand various techniques that enhance clarity, focus, and peace of mind. We are here to provide you with valuable insights into how meditation can transform your life, equipping you with the tools you need to harness its full potential. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the types of meditation that can help you achieve a state of clear, calm awareness. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses techniques such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. While meditation is often recognized for its deep spiritual roots, its primary goals are universal and practical: to reduce stress, enhance concentration, promote emotional health, and achieve a state of peace. The benefits of meditation are extensive and well documented. For the mind, regular meditation improves concentration, sharpens focus, and enhances cognitive skills like creative thinking and problem solving. It also helps in managing anxiety, depression, and stress by enabling better regulation of the mood, enhancing neurotransmitters in our brain. Physically, meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and alleviate symptoms of various chronic illnesses, such as irritable bowel syndrome or PTSD. By promoting sleep relaxation, meditation helps in reducing fatigue and improving energy levels. Emotionally, meditation encourages a greater sense of calm, peace, and balance, which benefits overall well-being. Regular practice develops the skills needed to manage stress effectively. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment during meditation, we learn to detach from them and understand them more objectively, which can lead to profound insights about our internal life and external interactions. In essence, meditation is not just a tool for spiritual exploration, but a scientifically supported path to enhance physical, mental, and emotional health. It is a practice accessible to anyone, anywhere, emphasizing its simplicity and vital role in promoting holistic well-being. As we dive deeper into the practice of meditation, it's important to recognize that not all meditation techniques are the same. Each type serves a unique purpose and offers distinct benefits, especially when it comes to enhancing mental clarity. Whether you are seeking to sharpen your focus, deepen your sense of peace, or simply find a moment of stillness, understanding these different approaches can help you choose the right path for your meditation journey. Let's explore 4 popular types of meditation: mindfulness, concentrative, transcendental, and movement-based meditation, and see how each can specifically enhance your mental clarity. Mindfulness meditation involves being fully present and aware of our thoughts and actions without becoming overwhelmed or overreactive. It trains the mind to be attentive to the current moment, helping to cultivate a calm, non-judgmental awareness of thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. This type of meditation is known for reducing stress and anxiety, improving attention, and enhancing the ability to react more calmly in difficult situations. Regular practice can lead to greater mental clarity as practitioners learn to observe their thoughts without attachment, leading to a clearer, more focused mind. Concentrative meditation focuses on a single point of reference. It could be the breath, a specific word, or a mantra, a repetitive sound to clear the mind of distractions. This practice trains the brain to focus attention on one point, which enhances the ability to concentrate. This type of meditation is particularly effective in improving one's ability to focus, reduce brain chatter, and enhance both mental clarity and emotional stability. Transcendental Meditation is a form of silent mantra meditation developed by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. It involves the use of personalized mantra and is practiced for 20 minutes twice per day while sitting comfortably with closed eyes. The goal is to rise above one's current state of being and achieve a state of pure consciousness, which can help decrease stress and anxiety while increasing personal growth and inner peace. This type of meditation is known for reducing cortisol, stress hormone levels, and enhancing cognitive functions, contributing to greater overall mental clarity. Movement-based meditation such as Yoga or Tai Chi incorporates physical movement with breath and focus, providing the benefits of exercise coupled with meditation. These practices are particularly effective for those who find peace in action and want to cultivate a state of flow. Regular practice helps in synchronizing the body and mind, enhancing physical balance and coordination, and clearing the mind, which together contribute to improved mental clarity. As we continue our exploration of meditation, it's crucial to understand that the effectiveness of your practice often hinges on the techniques you employ. Whether you are a beginner looking to establish a solid foundation or an experienced meditator aiming to deepen your practice, mastering specific techniques can greatly enhance your experience. In this section, we will delve into practical methods for mindfulness, concentrative, and transcendental meditation, focusing on breathing, visualization, and mantra use. Additionally, we will cover essential best practices for setting up your meditation session to ensure optimal conditions for achieving mental clarity and focus. Let's learn how to fine-tune your practice to get the most out of each session. Breathing techniques for mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation often begins with the breath. A simple yet effective technique is the 4-7-8 breathing method, which involves breathing in for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 7 seconds, and exhaling slowly for 8 seconds. This pattern helps regulate your breathing and focuses your attention on the breath, serving as a powerful anchor to the present moment. Regular practice can significantly improve concentration and mental clarity, reducing stress and enhancing overall emotional resilience. Visualization techniques for concentrative meditation. In concentrative meditation, visualization is a key component. Start by visualizing a tranquil scene, an object, or even a geometric shape in your mind's eye. Keep your focus as sharp as possible, directing all your mental energy towards the image. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the visualization. This technique not only improves focus, but also activates areas of the brain involved in visualization and attention, leading to deeper mental clarity and reduced anxiety. Mantra use in Transcendental Meditation. Transcendental Meditation utilizes a specific personalized mantra, a sound, word, or phrase that is silently repeated. The mantra serves as the focal point of the practice, helping to transcend ordinary thinking and reach a state of pure consciousness. Choose a mantra that resonates with you personally, ensuring it's easy to remember and meaningful. The repetition of the mantra helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and clear away mental clutter, fostering a heightened state of awareness and calm. To maximize the benefits of your meditation practice, consider these best practices for setting up your meditation session. Number 1. Environment. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you wouldn't be disturbed. The environment should be conducive to relaxation, free from distractions. Some find that dimming the lights or using candles can help create a calming atmosphere. Number 2. Duration. Start with short sessions around 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Consistency is more important than length. Even short daily sessions can lead to significant benefits over time. Number 3. Posture. Maintain a comfortable posture whether you choose to sit on a cushion, chair, or even lie down. Ensure your back is straight but not tense. Proper posture helps maintain alertness and allows for better breathing, which is crucial for effective meditation. By incorporating these techniques and best practices into your meditation routine, you can enhance your ability to achieve mental clarity and maintain a focused, tranquil mind. These foundational elements provide a pathway to deeper self-awareness and a more mindful approach to everyday life. Meditation, while immensely beneficial, isn't always easy, especially for beginners. Common challenges like distraction, discomfort, and impatience can often discourage new practitioners. It's important to understand that meditation isn't about eliminating thoughts or emotions, rather, it's about learning to observe them without judgment. Let's discuss these challenges in more details and explore ways to navigate them effectively. Distraction is perhaps the most common challenge faced during meditation. It's natural for the mind to wander, thinking about past events or planning for the future. The key to overcoming this is to gently acknowledge the distraction and then bring your focus back to your chosen point of meditation, such as your breath, a mantra, or a visual object. With consistent practice, you will find it easier to maintain focus for longer periods. Physical discomfort is another barrier that can interrupt your meditation. To minimize this, ensure you are in a comfortable position from the start. Use cushions or props to support your posture and make adjustments as needed. Remember, the goal is not to endure pain, but to be aware and comfortable. If you need to change your posture during meditation, do so mindfully and return to your focus. Impatience stems from having expectations about what meditation will be like or what it will achieve. It's crucial to approach meditation with a mindset of non-achievement. Instead of looking for immediate results or profound experiences, focus on the process itself. Each moment of meditation is a step towards greater mindfulness and clarity, regardless of how it feels in the present. To truly progress in meditation, adopt an attitude of observation without judgment. This means noticing your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations as they are. If you find yourself judging your practice, "I'm not doing this right, this isn't working," simply note these thoughts as part of your meditation and gently return to your technique. Here are practical tips for overcoming challenges. Number 1. Use guided meditations. If you are struggling with technique, guided meditation can be helpful. They provide direction and can help keep your mind engaged. Number 2. Set realistic goals. Begin with short sessions, 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase as your comfort with meditation grows. Number 3. Meditate regularly. Consistency is key in meditation. Try to meditate at the same time each day to establish a routine that will enhance your discipline and focus. Number 4. Join a community. Engaging with a community or meditation group can provide support, motivation, and advice, which is particularly valuable when you are starting out. As we conclude our deep dive into meditation, remember that the key to success in this practice is finding what resonates with you. Whether it's mindfulness, concentrative, transcendental, or movement-based meditation, each has unique benefits to offer. We encourage you to experiment with these techniques and discover which one enhances your mental clarity and overall well-being the most. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like it. Share your meditation experiences or any questions in the comments below. We would love to hear from you and use your feedback to improve our content. Don't forget to check out our Mental Clarity playlist for more valuable insights. And watch our video 5 Easy Steps to Start Meditating Today and Transform Your Life to kickstart your meditation journey today. All links are available in the description below and in the pop-up at the top right of this video. Thank you sincerely for your time and attention. Remember, each step you take is part of your journey towards a clearer, calmer life. So keep exploring, keep learning, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video. Much love.